Did you know that some restaurants in New York accept EBT? If you're a SNAP recipient, you might qualify to use your benefits to purchase hot, freshly prepared meals at specific locations through the Restaurant Meals Program. This initiative is a game changer, especially for seniors, people with disabilities, and those experiencing homelessness, who may not have the resources or ability to prepare their own meals. Let's dive into the details of this program, the participating restaurants, and how you can use this. So first, let's go over a little bit about the Restaurant Meals Program. This is a special federal provision that allows certain restaurants to accept SNAP food benefits as payment for hot meals. This program is optional and every state can decide for itself whether or not to implement it. New York recently began piloting it in specific areas, making it one of the newest states to join this. If you qualify, you can enjoy a warm, ready-to-eat meal without worrying about taxes or tips, and New York even added an extra 10% discount on your meal when you purchase it with EBT. However, it doesn't cover anything extra like delivery fees or anything like that. So you always need to show up and use your EBT card in person to take advantage of this offer. So, who qualifies for this program? To use the Restaurant Meals Program in New York, every member of your household, as listed on your SNAP account, must meet at least one of the following criteria. You must be 60 years or older, permanently disabled and receiving government disability benefits, or be homeless. It's crucial that every individual on your account meets one of those requirements, because even if one person doesn't qualify, the entire household will not be eligible for this program. If you meet the criteria, your caseworker can activate this benefit for you. Once it's active, you just swipe your EBT card at the participating restaurant. Now, if you're not sure whether or not this program is available to you, don't hesitate to reach out to your caseworker for guidance. There are restaurants in all 5 boroughs of New York City that accept EBT benefits, from well-known staples like Taco Bell to local eateries that you may not have heard of before. So we know that Burger King has locations in all 5 boroughs. We also know that Popeyes has locations throughout New York City as well. There's a local eatery called 8-Bit Bites that has locations in Brooklyn and Manhattan that are able to accept your EBT benefits as well. Justino's Pizzeria is a great option, and they have locations in Manhattan and Staten Island. Now, those are the restaurants that have a presence in different areas, right? If you look just in the Bronx, there are options like Lynn's Home Chinese, Pa Comer, Rock Body Fitness Cafe, and so on. Brooklyn also has some special restaurants like Blaze 718, IHOP, Jam-It Bistro, Jalapeno Shack, Coney Island, Memphis Soul, Ocean Eats, Roselli Chinese Restaurant, Tumble To Go, iRestaurant, and so on. In Manhattan, there's Jojo Duck, Lady Chow Chicken, Ray's Pizza Bar, Sapporo Restaurant, The Chubby Crab, and Noma's Restaurant. Staten Island also has a great list, so does Queens. I'm not going to necessarily read off all of these to you, though, because as I'm thinking about it, this list changes a lot. So the best place to get the most up-to-date list of restaurants that accept EBT near you is by visiting that link that will take you to our website, because we're able to update that website list over time, and that's a lot harder to do here on video. For now, though, I do want to assure you that New York City is not the only place that you can use your EBT card at restaurants in New York. They've also been piloting this in Rochester out in Monroe County. And so there are some restaurants out there that can also accept those benefits for you, including KFC, Gregorio's Pizza, Lakeside Haven Family Restaurant, Nin's Restaurant, and Pomodoro Pizza. With these options, Rochester residents also have great choices for dining out with their EBT benefits, and hopefully this program will grow to include even more areas soon. And remember, whether you're in a different area of New York or a different area of the country, we always keep a full list of all the restaurants that accept EBT at lowincomerelief.com/RMP. If you're interested in seeing the most up-to-date list, go check that out. And in the meantime, don't forget to check out our other videos for more ways to save money and get free stuff.